Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a halo eye and I launched an amazing product that you need to get your hands on like yesterday. So keep watching to find out how to get this look. So let's get into the halo eye. I'm gonna use my Desert Dusk palette by Huda. The color I'm going for is a color called Amber. Oh, okay. Amber, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take the shade on this kind of a brush. I'm going to get at the back of my hand and I'm gonna focus it on this part of my eye, like the transition color, and I'm just gonna sweep it back and forth. I'm gonna add the pigment and sweep. Same with the other eye, just add your pigment and sweep. Add your pigment and sweep it across. This one you want to bring right into the inner corner. You just want to add a little bit more into the inner corner. So you want like a full, almost a full lid cover on the eye. I'm just going to add a little bit more here. Okay. So I forgot that I want to get into lips first. So I'm going to take my Woolworths lip liner in the shade Berry and I'm going to apply it on my lips. Just a liner. Because the color I'm using today is a full lip matte lipstick, which is called Power Lips Fluid from New Skin. And if you want to know how to get this, you can just pop me a message. I love this color. Okay. Oh, I was taking the... Okay, perfect. That's lip color done, and it really matches the eyeshadow so well. Matches the amber. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Saffron, also in... Actually, no. Let's not. Let's give this palette a bit of a break. I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette here, and I'm gonna use the shade Cypress Amber. Just any like dark tones that you want to blend it really nicely. I like this brown. You just want to also just take that in. It's a lovely brown. I was thinking of going in with an even deeper one, but I'm actually happy with this color. So just like two colors. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of amber and just push it into here, into your inner corners because you've darkened it so much. And then I'm gonna take this shade in the Modern Renaissance palette called Primavera. Okay, so we're gonna go back in with this color called Primavera, and I'm gonna take it on the back of my finger, and I'm just gonna do this with it, just down the center. It's just like this highlight color. on the lid, and that is what gives you the illusion of a halo eye. And just tap it on there. Do a little extra on the outside, because I'll show you, like, say a whole thumb size, a little bit thicker than a thumb. You want to get that amount on there. Okay, then you want to grab a little bit of the shades you were using. So I'm gonna take amber again. Actually, you can use whatever shade you like if something matches your clothes more, but nice darker shades for the outside, and I like a gold on the inside. So you can just blend it well, so that it just looks like a highlight shade. And then you go in to I'm gonna take a little bit more. I want it to pop a bit more on the lid. Okay, then grab a bit of this blending brush right here, and just any thin brush that you have, and just do that. I like to give it a bit more definition, so you know where it sort of ends. That's how you want it. Okay, so yeah, that is it there. And then I'm going to show you how to line your eye and then apply false lashes. What's super exciting is that I have a new something special to launch. So I'm going to go put my winged liner on, and I'll be right back. So my eyeliner is done, and this is how it looks. I used my Inglot liner, and what is it? It's in the shade, I don't know, it's just super black. Anyway, let's get into what I'm launching. And what I'm launching is an eyelash, which comes in this little marble box right here. The name of the eyelash is called Unforgettable, and our company's name is called Unforgettable Minks. As you can see, I am so in love with this eyelash. It's absolutely natural and soft and wispy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it, and yeah, keep watching if you want to see how to apply it. So you want to grab the eyelash with a tweezer, so just to get it out neatly. Okay, you don't want to mess with anything. Then you want to take a lash glue. I use a clear lash glue, the Eyelure one. You can get it at any Clicks or Discam. You take it the back of it, and you just apply a bit of glue on the back of the band like so, and then you leave it for around 10 to 15 seconds, just until the glue gets nice and tacky. You want to get it nice, a nice amount of glue in the inner and outer corners, because it needs to really like stick on when it gets on there. Like, I feel for me that's like a huge thing, is to get it in the inner corners, in the outer corner really well. And you just want it to get tacky for the next 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so my one eyelash is on. I'm going to show you how to apply the second one, because it's been drying for a good few seconds now, and I'm just gonna show you how to apply it. So you want to take it closest to the lash line as possible, and just stick it in the middle first, and then let it wiggle, and then you can just take it with your finger. And once it's in the center, you wanna just press it down with a tweezer. And then press it down again, and then just really let it stick at the end. And basically that is the lash on. It is so beautiful. This is my first impression because I didn't open it as yet. It's my first time and I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna take my telescopic L'Oreal in extra black. Once the glue dries, I'm gonna put on the lashes. For now I'm gonna grab my black eyeliner by Urban Decay. It's called Black Market. I'm gonna line my lower lashes. That is how it looks. And then I'm going to, it's super comfortable to wear, so I'm just gonna attach. Now you wanna attach the two lashes together. And basically that is how you would attach it, by just applying a little bit of mascara to attach the two lashes together so that it doesn't look like they're separate. They need to look like they're one. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take Cypress Umber again, and I'm just gonna use it a little on my lash line. A little bit here. Basically, yeah, that is the look. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of my Fix Plus in Gold Light and just spray it on. Pat it wherever it needs patting. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the Halo Eye with the amazing lashes. I'm so proud to launch these, and it also comes with this little spoolie for your lashes, and you can just attach it even better, like with this little spoolie, and it comes for free with this. You can follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. These are called Unforgettable Minks. They are faux mink lashes, meaning they are cruelty free, and they are amazing. They're wispy and they're super affordable. So yeah, stay tuned because we also will be launching a new lash really soon. And yeah, I hope you guys really love it and support it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.